Hello guys, thank you for tuning in and welcome back to Mike Mondz channel.
Magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga YouTubers. Ang ibabahagi ko po sa inyo ngayon ay kung paano natin gagawin ang YouTube channel art natin. Kagaya ng nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen. Let's start! Una, kailangan natin ng graphic editing software like Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and other similar softwares. In this tutorial, I will be using CorelDRAW. Gagawa tayo ng bagong document sa CorelDRAW. To do that, click File, select and click New. Make sure that the unit used is pixels. Yung width natin ay 2048. Yung height naman natin is 1152. Next, yung color mode natin dapat naka-RGB. Tapos yung rendering resolution natin dapat is lower value. Di natin kailangan yung malaking value. So okay na tong 100. Kasi si YouTube, yung requirement ng channel art niya is dapat smaller yung file size. Para smaller yung file size ng channel art natin, ang gagawin natin sa resolution is ilo-lower down natin. So okay na tong 100. Click OK to create the document. Click the zoom tool and make sure that it is fit to page para makita mo lahat. Next nating ilalagay sa document natin is rectangle shape. Gamit yung rectangle tool. Click the rectangle tool, then click, hold and drag. Click the pick tool, deselect the rectangle shape na bago mong ginawa. I-match natin yung dimension ng document natin dito sa shape natin. Okay, so una, kopyahin natin yung width, Ctrl C to copy. Click the shape, go to the width text box, paste it there, enter to apply. Ayan. Tapos, next naman, kopyahin natin tong height ng document natin. Click the rectangle shape. Go to height text box, paste it there. Press enter to apply. Okay. Press the letter P to align it to the center of the page. Letter P on your keyboard. Ayan. So, nagmamatch na siya sa dimension ng page natin, yung rectangle shape na dinagdag natin dito. Letter P to align it to the center of the page. Next, applyan natin ng color, black. I-remove natin yung hairline nya. Double click this box here. Set the width to none. Click OK to apply. Let's copy the rectangle shape that we just add. Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste. Adjust, resize the newly copied rectangle shape. Press and hold Shift K. Then click and hold this transformation control. Lower down the height. Okay. Ayan. Change its color to, let's say, gawin nating red. Ayan. Ito yung actual na area na lalagyan natin ng objects. Sisimula na tayo. Let's start with text. file name. Channel _art. Export. Hintayin mo na may mag-pop up na export to JPEG dialog box. Click OK to save. And we're done here. I-check natin kung nasave ba talaga siya na JPEG. Pupunta tayo dun sa location ng file to check if it's really saved as JPEG. So, titingnan natin. Saan yan? Ayun. Yan. So, ready na to siya para gawin mong channel art. Okay? Sana nakatulong tong video na to sa channel mo. At doon po nagtatapos ang ating channel art design.
For more videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification.